Hello again. In this videos, we will learn how to add quizzes to courses. You can go ahead and navigate to the URL of the learning management system, and as you can see, I'm logged in as a teacher. Navigate to the courses that you're enrolled at, select specific course, and go to the specific interval that you want to add the quiz at. As you can see from the previous examples, we've added a folder that has the learning material, and we've added an assignment, and now we're adding a quiz. Click on Add an Activity or Resource, and from the activities list, choose Quiz. Click on Add, and the learning management system will navigate you to adding a new quiz page. Go ahead and call it Quiz related to the learning objective of Project Management 1. And here you can write a description. You can write the description, the questions, attach a file, video, or an image. And from the following sections, you can choose specific settings for this quiz. Start with the timing, when to open and close the quiz, the time limit, and what should happen when the time expires. The grading, if you want to have it in categories, and how many attempts does the students have. The layouts, the question order, and how many questions per page. And you can show other settings as well. The question behavior, the review options during the attempt, immediately after the attempt, later while the quiz is still open, and after the quiz is closed. The display, some restrictions, if it requires a password or a network address. As you can see now, you can see Quiz 1, Learning Objective for Project Management 1, quiz is added on the main page. Now in order to add questions, go ahead and turn editing off and click on the quiz, and it will navigate you to Quiz 1, Learning Objective Project Management 1, main page. You can edit the quiz, define the maximum grade of, let's say, 100. Here you can import questions from the question bank or add specific questions. Add a question, choose the type of question that you want to add. We will add, for the sake of this example, a true or false question. Question name, true or false. And for the question text, do you think this video is useful? You can do the default mark for the video, let's say 5 marks. General feedback, this is the feedback that the student gets regardless of his answer. And the correct answer indeed is true. Feedback for the response, true, thank you. And feedback for the response, false. You can give the student the ability to try it more than once. Save changes. And there you have your first true or false questions. You can go ahead and add other questions for essays or calculated or any other type of questions. I am logged in now as a student and will navigate to the course that I am enrolled at and will click on the quiz link. As a student, now it shows me the description of the quiz, the title, and an attempt link. I click on it and I see the question that is added by the instructor. Do you think this video is useful? True. And by clicking next, answer saved, submit all and finish. Once you submit it, you will no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. In order to change this, the instructor needs to maximize the attempts or open the attempts for the students. Submit all and finish. And as you can see, it shows me now what is the correct answer and the feedback that I, as instructor, decided to give for students if they select true.